Hey guys, this is Ashok Kumar, your psychologist from Crack SSB Masterclass. So today's question, what we have to do in the square box in the PPNDT when there are more characters shown in the picture. Now, the purpose of writing details in the square box like the gender, age and mood of the characters is just to revise the story when your time comes in the narration period. Like if we all remember in the PPDT narration, the GTO gives you 30 seconds to 1 minute period to revise your stories. By just looking at the square box, you will get a rough understanding about what you are going to narrate in that next 1 minute period. So since this is the purpose of it, it is not always necessary to bring all the details of all the characters shown in the picture. Now during the time of writing, you will be getting only 1 minute time for recording the details in the square box and as well as to write the action. So if that is the only time you will get to write the details, it may not be possible to put all the details of all the characters shown in the picture. That means even if there is a group of people shown in the picture, you try to write the details of as many characters as possible in that 1 minute period. But then when you are narrating the story, you should tell exactly how many characters you have observed in the image. In case the less characters are shown in the picture, it is not a major issue. But what about the more characters are shown? Like there is a crowd where you could assume at least 100 to 200 people. In such kind of places, there is no harm writing only the details of the main character in the square box, and in narration you should tell the number of characters as exactly observed by you in the picture. So that means whether the psychologist, GTO or the interviewing officer, no one is going to seriously look into your story sheets until unless they have some doubt regarding your story. Even if they go through the answer sheet, they will just look for the story part, not with respect to the action and what you have done in the square box. So that means in the square box, it has to be made as simple as possible without too much of confusing yourself. I hope you got the answer for this question of today's video. If you have liked this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you guys.